This class is for Standard 5 and the subject is Mathematics. In this class, we are going to cover chapter number 4, Factors, exercise 4.2, Rules of Divisibility. Topics covered in this class are Rules of Divisibility for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 10. Rules of divisibility. Before learning the rules of divisibility, let us learn what is meant by divisible by. If we divide one number by another number, it does not leave any remainder. For example, let us consider two numbers 12 and 6. If we divide 12 by 6, the quotient equal to 2 and the remainder equal to 0. Whenever we get the remainder as 0, the numbers 12 and 6 comes under the divisibility rule, with 12 is divisible by 6. Divisibility rule of 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the last digit of the number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. In simple, ones digit in the given number is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then the number is divisible by 2. Let us see with an example. 256. In this number, 6 is in the ones digit, which is an even number. Therefore, 256 is divisible by 2. Similarly, 671. In this example, the ones digit is 1, which is an odd number. Therefore, 671 is not divisible by 2. Divisibility rule of 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of digits is divisible by 3. In short terms, sum of digit should divide it by 3 without leaving any remainder. Let us see the divisibility rule of 3 with an example. 252. The sum of digits equal to 2 plus 5 plus 2, which is equal to 9. While dividing 9 divided by 3, we get the quotient as 3 and remainder equal to 0. Therefore, 253 is divisible by 3. The next example, 461. Sum of the digits equal to 4 plus 6 plus 1, which is equal to 11. While dividing 11 by 3, we get the quotient as 3 and remainder equal to 2. Therefore, 461 is not divisible by 3. Divisibility rule of 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits end with 0, 0 or the last two digits are divisible by 4. In short terms, we can tell the last two digits should be divided by 4 without leaving any remainder. Let us see divisibility rule of 4 with an example. 212. The last two digit is 12, which is divisible by 4 without leaving any remainder. Therefore, 212 is divisible by 4. The next example, 426. The last two digits is 26, which is not divisible by 4. Therefore, 426 is not divisible by 4. Divisibility rule of 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 0 or 5. In short terms, we can tell the ones digit of the number should be 0 or 5. Let us see the divisibility rule of 5 with an example. 205. Here, the last digit is 5. Therefore, 205 is divisible by 5. Similarly, 426, last digit is 6. Therefore, 426 is not divisible by 5. Divisibility rule of 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3. If the given number is divisible by 2 and 3, then it also divisible by 6. Divisibility rule of 6 with an example. 252. In this example, the ones digit is 2. Therefore, the given number is divisible by 2. Sum of the digits equal to 2 plus 5 plus 2, which is equal to 9. 9 is also divisible by 3. So, the given number 252 is also divisible by 3. Since 252 is divisible by both 2 and 3, it is also divisible by 6. 452. In the given example, 452, 2 is in the ones place and which is divisible by 2. Sum of the digits equal to 4 plus 5 plus 2, which is equal to 11. So, it is not divisible by 3. Since the given example is divisible by 2 and not divisible by 3, therefore, 452 is not divisible by 6. Divisibility rule of 9. If a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. That is, sum of digits divided by 9 with leaving the remainder as 0. Divisibility rule of 9 with an example. 252. Sum of digits equal to 2 plus 5 plus 2, which is equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 9 with leaving the remainder as 0. Therefore, 252 is divisible by 9. 461. Sum of the digits equal to 4 plus 6 plus 1, which is equal to 11. 11 divided by 9, which is equal to quotient is 1 and remainder equal to 2. Therefore, 461 is not divisible by 9. Divisibility rule of 10. A number is divisible by 10 if the last digit is 0. In short terms, in the given number, the ones digit should be 0. Divisibility rule of 10 with an example. 210. In this example, the ones digit is 0. Therefore, 210 is divisible by 10. 426. Last digit is 6. Hence, 426 is not divisible by 10. Thank you, children.